If you need to recover your Zomato account but no longer have access to the email associated with it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Start by launching the Zomato app on your mobile device or visiting the Zomato website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Instead of your email, enter the phone number linked to your Zomato account. Make sure it is the correct number used during registration. Step 4. Receive verification code. You will receive a verification code via SMS on the phone number you provided. Check your messages and note the code. Step 5. Reset your password. Enter the verification code in the Apple website as prompted. Once verified, you will be able to set a new password for your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for further assistance.